So, it's snowing, and the DC government is open, and the federal government is open, which is very unusual. We shut down sometimes before it even snows out, which is probably why they're open today. They go back and forth. They close before anything happens, and then nothing happens, so then they open because they think nothing's gonna happen, and something happens. Last night it said from a trace to an inch, then it went from an inch to 2, then from an inch to 3, and now it's saying from 2 to 4. And here in DC, there goes the metro still running. In DC, 2 to 4 inches is difficult. See that there bus? See all them people packed up on there? That's how everybody's getting around. The traffic is mangled because we don't know what we're doing. Huh, that bus just stopped there. That's not a metro bus stop. Huh. That was nice. Oh, somebody. Huh. Slow moving. Lots of people waiting for the bus. As I said, it's unusual. I'm surprised people aren't stuck on this hill. People can't drive here in the snow, and the DC government does a terrible job of clearing the streets, as you see. This is about 9 o'clock in the morning. A few more hours of snow to come. That's all. Again. I was going to drive to Mass this morning, but I decided to leave my car at home and walk to the local church, which I had not been to in many years. They've greeted me not many years, many months. They greeted me warmly, and seeing all this traffic, I'd have been stuck out on the road for hours. That's all. It's often said people from DC can't drive in the snow. Is it that people from DC can't drive in the snow? Or is it all the people from other parts of the country that live in DC that can't drive in the snow? I can drive in the snow, but I come from northern people. My northern father and northern mother made me learn to drive in the snow before I was ever allowed to leave the house in their car in the snow. I think that's really all. It's beautiful, peaceful. I love the snow because it gives me an excuse to stay in the house and read and not really do anything and not feel guilty like I should be out being quote unquote productive. What I was saying was the snow allows me to be home and be still and be silent like I've been called to be and not feel like I'm doing anything wrong, that I don't have to be productive today, and that's okay. So if you're in the snow, enjoy it. That's all.